Hey my babies, welcome back to another Curlbox unboxing video. And this month we have the February 2020 Stay Woke box. And this month's box is all about fortifying your hair, reconstructing your hair, and recharging your hair. So stay positive, stay powerful, stay focused, and stay woke, okay? Okay, now first of all, let's talk about this model, baby. She is giving me life with no parole. This woke curl box delivers an intense combination of trusted remedies, aloe and black castor oil to banish weaknesses. Okay, now let's get on to the goodies, and this month we'll have the Creme of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil line. Okay, so first up we have the Creme of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil Strengthening Protein Treatment. This is said to use on a weekly basis. It's an intense conditioner that delivers strengthening protein to hair suffering from both styling and environmental damage. I almost forgot to mention that this protein treatment and the next product that I'm going to show you, which is the leave-in, are products that's supposed to reconstruct your hair. Okay, next we have the Creme of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil Reconstructing Anti-Breakage Leave-In. This is said to use on a daily basis. This frizz-fighting leave-in conditioner reduces shedding and breakage caused by dryness. So definitely this is needed on a daily basis. Okay, so this next product here is supposed to recharge your hair. Root revitalization is made easy with your Creme of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil Root Recharge Serum. It was created to promote fuller, thicker cuticles with a vitamin-infused formula that uses aloe to condition and black castor oil to add luster. Now, who doesn't love that? Okay, so these next two products is supposed to fortify your hair. And to fortify strands, you must defend your locks against damage while also repairing them. Which brings me to my next product, the Creme of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil Healthy and Long Fortifying Hair Mask. This will swoop in and improve elasticity by hydrating rough, damaged textures. You'll greatly decrease the occurrence of split ends and breakage. Last but not least, we have the Creme of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil Healthy and Long Fortifying Shampoo. This has been infused with aloe vera juice and black castor oil. It helps boost growth by strengthening strands to retain length. Thanks so much for watching, my loves. I hope you enjoyed this Curlbox unboxing video of my Creme of Nature Aloe and Black Castor Oil line. I have received Creme of Nature before from Curlbox, but I haven't tried this line as of yet. But I'm sure it will work wonders because I love Creme of Nature on my hair. But as always, I will be back next month with another Curlbox unboxing video to show you my goodies. So stay tuned for that. And if you hit that subscribe button on the way in, thank you, my babies. But if not, make sure you hit that subscribe button on the way out. Until next time, my loves, stay tuned.
Let's go!